Who's the big hero? Who's the hero? There he is, walking away. Who's the hero?
All for the kids, baby.
Nice, man.
Great.
Awesome.
Whoever steps on the red has to get out.
That was sick fast. Dude, that's no time at all.
Hey, kiddo. Sophia.
What?
What's up?
Hi, Dad.
Hi. It's amazing.
Got her. Like, I might as well make it investment since they're going to need it. Shoot it 3 times a year.
Who'd invite me?
Flip me.
That's right.
Better have fists.
Hi.
How you doing?
How you doing? Have you seen my new ring? Sophia
Very
painted that for me.
nice.
Very
One
nice.
of those blue diamonds.
Yes.
They're all
Is that
about
with the flip or no?
Yeah.
Is it the flip?
Yeah.
That's what I like the cover on it though. Did you buy a cover for it?
It's from her work. It's like, it's her work company logo.
Oh, True Car, right.
Yeah.
Eric just got a flip for
Well, my question is, what do they?
Yeah?
Fellas,
What's up?
just documenting.
What's up, buddy?
How you doing? How you
Good,
doing? How you
good.
doing? Who's this?
I don't know.
That's a fireman.
Filming me coming in like a retard?
What's that?
Filming me coming in like a retard?
Yeah, who you with?
These guys there?
Oh, okay, right on. What up, brother?
What's up?
That's how we roll in Cal City.
That's right.
Charlotte.
Yeah, no, so much for my, I was like,